Hello YouTube. First of all, I'll start by saying that this is not really a safe method of doing this, but I have a noise in the rear and I really wanted to confirm whether it was a wheel bearing or if it was the rear diff. So I got my car up, got it up on stands, and I have the wheels off the ground, as you can see. So I already diagnosed this, but you know, that might be useful for somebody if they want to do this at their own risk. I don't recommend doing this, but it's an interesting way to figure out if you have a bad wheel bearing or a bad diff. And this is what happens when you do too many burnouts. You need tires. So I have the car up in the air, put traction control on, I wait through the ABS light because everything's off whack because there's only two wheels off the ground, right? And drive. I mean, usually you can speed it up to hear the noise and then have somebody speed the car up, and then you can see if lost my train of thought there. So you can have somebody, you know, rev the car up and you can be behind the car and see where the noise is coming from. I mean, for me it was easier than that. All I had to do was hold the driver wheel and I can hear a bearing noise back there, and that's the diff. Let's see if I can get the camera close enough. You can hear that grinding around in there and the other wheel spinning, obviously. But yeah, hate to say it, I was really hoping to be a wheel bearing, but my diff is bad. Or at least the bearings in the diff are bad for sure, not the gears too. But there we go. Fun little way to confirm whether you got bad wheel bearings or a bad diff. Put the handbrake up, down, and that's all it is, folks. That's all I got for you today. Hope that helps somebody. And if you want to see more stuff like this, you can always subscribe.